So you kind of want to take it in a little bit?
Yeah,
today?
angle it up like you did that one time. It just, it just got messy, you know?
Yeah. I'll take it in. We'll start not so much as last time, and then we can work our way through. How you doing, buddy? You just walking in, or?
No, I got a 3 with 3.
She'll be right out.
Yeah, no worries.
I mean, it's getting full though. It looks good.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
No worries. I'm a few minutes early.
I'm liking it.
Yeah, looks great. We're gonna hit it with some hairspray.
Quiet in here. Hey, for today, I'm good with it.
So because we're gonna kind of totally give it a different look, we're gonna hairspray it.
Okay.
Go ahead.
How you did it, you just kind of made it angular and
Yeah.
pointed just like that.
Yeah, everything flow. All right, hold your breath for me. So I try to cover his face as I do this so we don't have to kill him. And then I'll take my blow dryer and just try to blow away a lot of it. You should be good to breathe now. And then we want to let it sit up and dry. In the meantime, while it is drying, we'll go ahead and do some maintenance on the eyebrows and all that good stuff. So he typically shaves his own head, so I'm gonna hit some spots where he may have missed.
How am I looking back there?
It looks good. There's just back behind your ears is probably tough.
I could tell that was. I had Lucas back there.
Was he doing it?
He was trying, yeah. I gotta get him back on the dome.
Yeah. Give him practice for when he's old. It's not bad though, it really isn't. What are you guys doing back there? Make sure it's set up. Cool. We're actually going to use some new clippers today that I just got. These are the Caliber 44 mags.
Nice.
Brand new. See how they do on free hand in the beard. So I like to lean it a little bit, and we're gonna just kind of take it down. Look this way a little bit, right there. And then when I'm doing it, I'll place one hand on his shoulder and the other hand rest it.
One on the side, but just the top, just do it.
A lot of bulk coming out the side.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty messy under there.
Get a little bit of shadow.
You know how when you have me lift my neck up, or you're
Yeah.
gonna see some.
Oh, I'm
messy
sure.
going on there.
Now we're just gonna go straight down to get some of those flyaways. All right, you're good. You can look straight now. Now we're gonna blend in the side here. I start with my lever open, and then we'll close it. Just use your corner just to blend it. A lot of it when you're blending into zero on the beard, you don't want to lay your clipper flat as you do it. Kind of angle it and just kind of flick.
I gotta go and get a cut first, and then go let her fix
There we
it.
go. That looks good.
Another thing I saw is a lot of beards.
Yeah.
COVID has created a lot of beards.
Oh, I know. A lot of people are, well, they don't have to go anywhere. You know, they don't have to go out and see anyone. You kind of started yours, right? Or was it right before?
Oh, that's exactly when I started it.
COVID, right?
Yeah.
That's what I thought.
Oh, yeah. I never had it before then.
All right, so we're gonna do the same thing on this side.
You want me to take the shit cards there?
Look this way.
Is that today? Is it? I just heard that on the radio. I had no idea what it was. I mean, I know it's this time of March, but I had no freaking clue. So yeah, that tells you that. No,
So when you initially get rid of all this weight, it might not be perfectly even once you get them to look straight. You might have to go through and define some edges, but here we're just trying to get it to that spot.
it's sad when I don't have enough time to spend 20, 30 minutes just to get a haircut. Things are just crazy.
Turn that real quick.
Coming off.
Oh yeah. Doesn't look too bad there. I just turned him to look in the mirror. Remember, your mirror's your best friend always, to make sure everything's even. Now we're just gonna start tapering in this a little more. Look in the mirror again. Look up a little bit. All right. All right, now do me a favor and raise up straight just a little bit. There you go. Perfect, just like that.
There might be something living in me.
So we're gonna go ahead and clean him up. Typically what you wanna do, especially because we're taking his beard in, you want it to hit the Adam's apple here, and then we're gonna take it up almost to the jawline on the side. And come from the side. Almost to the top of the jawline. You always got to make sure, make sure where you know where your client's chin is, because sometimes that it might be lower than you think, and then you go ahead and nick them and then patch them. All right, keep holding it for me. Do the same thing on this side. Start here, come to the side. I'll grab my trimmers, look up one more time. Then we'll go in after we take the neck strip off and everything and clean the rest of his neck up. But here for now, I just want to get rid of some of that bulk. All right. Now we're just going to clean up all of his lines. Are we still growing the mustache out, or are we taking that down a little bit?
Let's take that down a little bit.
Okay. So I'm gonna take the one guard lever all the way open. Mimi's not liking it too much?
No. Well, she hasn't made any negative comments. It just starts to feel a little bit beefy to me.
Yeah, it gets in the way. So I like to go with the grain because it'll take some bulk out, some length, leaving it looking a little thicker. We're just gonna clean right off his lips. And here you definitely want to use the corners of your trimmer. Perfecto. So when I'm kind of just trying to clean up the line, put a little lather, and then we'll grab a hot towel.
It's St. Patrick's Day. I should have taken it up here.
Yeah? You want one?
I don't know.
You sure?
Maybe.
Yeah, well, I'll grab you one.
Good way to.
Yeah.
I got my father-in-law coming over later.
Yeah, you might need to start early.
Bob, if you're listening, you know he's kidding.
You're still winning though.
I'm sure he doesn't listen.
No, he wasn't. He won't.
So what this does is, when you just have the lather, I can't see the line, but it'll soften it up to where I can see with no issues. And typically on a beard like this, you know, you don't want to go lower than right where his lips meet, and then just kind of come up.
What? You work for me. Thank you. You just wanted
Hey, Lucas. Calm down, please.
And then look in the mirror. We got to make sure everything's even. Looks pretty good. Can you see it like that, or do you need your glasses?
I'll need my specs.
All right, let's grab those. Make sure we went in.
We took a decent amount.
Yeah, we definitely did.
Yeah. Yeah, that's
Good? Okay. Let's grab those specs out one more time. Let me clean everything up. It feels like you already have some balm in there, so I'm not gonna throw anything in because it feels good and hydrated. You can look straight.
Yeah. No, I did. I had it. Had some stuff in there.
So typically when I would hairspray a beard, I would throw some kind of balm in, but it still feels really nice. And then we're gonna try to get all that hair out of it. Then we're gonna do one more cleanup with the trimmers. Another thing is don't worry about too many of the strays coming out. You could do this 100 times. Clean the strays up, comb it out. Clean the strays up. It's never gonna be perfect. But as long as you get the majority of it looking good, That's really what matters in this shape. Alright, let me double check in the mirror.
I'm gonna go for a little bit.
Okay, so just line it up.
Yeah, I'm letting it go for a little bit. You gotta have it just a little bit.
Yeah, that looks good there.
Yeah, right?
And that's basically it. Alright, now what we want to do is clean up under his neck real quick. And here we're just going to clean it up with the trimmers. So you can just look straight up a little bit. There you go.
I do have a little bald spot right there.
So because of the way his hair grows, your line's not going to be perfect. And obviously you want to get it looking as good as possible. But
Yeah, I can't remember what side it was on. So.
it's going to be tough to get it looking nice and crispy.
Don't think I'm not short of hair.
A lot of hair under here. We did take your line up a little bit. Now it being kind of curved in like that.
Yeah, I usually go really pretty good.
All right, you can
Mine was
relax.
way long. I had to do something. I got tired of it. And I just hit it with the three.
And that's basically it.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing.
Hope you guys enjoyed.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it as much as Jacob, the Total Barber, enjoyed showing you the beard trim and making the video. Please be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell so you are notified whenever a new one drops.